Okay, now we will introduce the 6 wavelength Lipo Laser body slimming machine. Okay, this is the power line and 3 glasses for protecting eyes, and the bond tie and the fat caliper. This is the shelf for connecting each pad, and this is the big Lipo Laser pads, and there are total 8 pieces for the big pads and 6 pieces diodes. It means the length for each big pads. And for the small pads, there are total 4 pieces and 12 pieces diodes for each small pads. And this machine, there are total 528 pieces diodes for the whole machine. Okay, for each big Lipo Laser pads, we should connect it like this. Okay, we can find the hole, match the hole, and then make it to the correct position. And here we should match the correct position, and then press. Okay, then each pad can connect it with each other. And the last step, we should use the shelf. Okay, use this shelf, and the same operation, match the hole. Okay, for this side, and another shelf to this side. Okay, and then last step, you can use the bond tie. Okay, use the bond tie here, and then tie this all pads on the treatment parts. Okay, next step, we will teach how to install these Lipo Laser pads. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you can see these marks A, B, C. Okay, for A, we should use the tube to insert to the A. Okay, and match the hole, please, and then press. And last step, tie it. And the same operation for another A pads. Okay, insert to the correct hole and press, and last step is tie it. And the next one is the B pads, and the same operation. Okay, same operation for each pad to install well on the machine. Okay, other pads are the same operation. Okay, match the hole and then press. Last step is tie it. Okay, now we start the machine. Please press the green button first, and then turn this emergency button. Last step, we turn on this key. Okay, we choose English. Okay, first step, we should choose the skin type and the treatment area. Okay, after setting them, we press enter. And you can see that we can adjust the power. It means that the intensity for each pad here. Okay, setting the power here and the treatment time here. Normally half an hour for one treatment. Okay, after setting, we just need to press the treatment pads. Okay, and then press the start button. Okay, this button is the pause mode. You can choose or not. Okay, now we will teach how to put the pads on the treatment part. Firstly, we should use the bond tie. Okay, we should tie it. Okay, tie this bond tie and then use the pad to put on the treatment part. And then make sure this fan should be outside, okay?